안녕하세요. Korean teacher Grace입니다. Today's class is 연음, the sound of connection. Let's enjoy. Do you know about 연음? When you talk, the final consonant sometimes links to the back vowels. It's called 연음. 연 means be connected. 음 means sound. Since the final consonant is just a natural phenomenon in which the final consonant leads to the first sound of the back syllable that starts with a vowel, it's not considered a phonetic change. You can listen well only when you know 연음. Look at this. What's the first sound in E? Consonant. ing. Look at this. ing is characterized by no sound value at the first sound letter, such as a. So, I and a the same. Like ang, it only sounds intermediate sound when it comes to the end sound letter. 응. In other words, the Korean ing only sounds in the final consonant. Okay? I'll ask again, what's the first sound in E? That's right, vowel E. And what's the final consonant in 꽃? That's right, the final consonant T. As I said, when a letter that starts with a vowel comes at the final consonant leads to the first sound of the back syllable that starts with a vowel. So when you read it, it becomes 연음, like 고, 치. It's different from writing and reading. Okay, good. Let's check it again. Look at this. 꽃이, 꽃이. But the final consonants ing and 히읗 don't link like 동생이 좋아해요. What's the final consonant in 생? Right, ing. How do we read it? 동생이. Okay. And what's the final consonant in 조? Right, here. How to read it? 좋아해요. Did you find any difference? Yes, there's no here. Especially here is omitted like 좋아해요 when reading. Please remember that. Let's check it again. Look at this line. Where is a letter that starts with a vowel comes after final consonant? Okay. Draw a circle with your eyes. Here, 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 here. Okay, good. We can read this. 집 앞에 꽃이 있어요. Okay, good. Next. Look at this line. Where is a letter that starts with a vowel, comes after final consonant? Draw a circle with the eyes. Here. 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 Okay? Good. Do you remember this? The final consonants in and here don't leak like 동생이. Okay? So, we can read this. 지금 동생이 라면을 먹어요. Good. Look at this line. Also, when words and words are followed, the final consonant reads to the first sound of the back syllable that starts with a vowel. Like this. Okay? Where is a letter that starts with a vowel, comes at the final consonant? Draw a circle with the eyes. Okay, here. So, you can read this. 친구가 안 와요. Okay, good. That's for today's lesson. Next class is the basic intonation of a Korean standard language. Please press like and subscribe. See you next time.